Ever wonder why some people seem to build wealth steadily, while others struggle month after month, despite earning well? The difference isn't just in income. It's in the choices, habits, and strategies that quietly set some people ahead while others fall behind. What if a few smart decisions today could compound over years into financial security, freedom, and opportunities you didn't think possible? In this video, we'll explore how to create a financial plan that actually works, revealing practical strategies and mindset shifts that can transform your financial future. By understanding these methods, you can start creating momentum toward the life you envision. Let's get started. 1. Map your baseline. Before you can move forward, you must know exactly where you stand. This isn't about judging past spending. It's about understanding reality. Start by calculating your net worth. List all liquid assets like cash, savings, and investments. Then subtract debts such as credit cards, loans, or other liabilities. This number gives a clear snapshot of your current financial standing. Next, track your actual cash flow. Don't just focus on rent or utility bills. Monitor variable costs over the last month or two, including those small, often overlooked expenses like coffee runs, subscriptions, or daily conveniences. These hidden drains are often what silently derail even the best intentions. You can also categorize expenses into fixed, variable, and discretionary spending to see patterns more clearly. Tracking historical spending helps you identify areas for potential savings or reallocation. By knowing your baseline, you create a foundation to set realistic goals, understand cash availability, and make smarter, informed decisions. The process also builds awareness and accountability, turning abstract numbers into actionable insights. Regularly updating this baseline ensures your financial plan remains aligned with changing income, expenses, and life circumstances. It also highlights trends over time, allowing you to anticipate challenges and adjust strategies proactively. Ultimately, this clarity empowers you to make confident decisions, prioritize goals effectively, and avoid financial surprises that could derail progress. 2. Structural priority. The sequential roadmap. A financial plan works best when priorities are clearly defined. Treating everything as urgent can paralyze progress. Begin with a starter emergency fund to cover 1 to 2 months of essential expenses. This simple safety net prevents you from reaching for credit cards when unexpected costs arise, like car repairs or medical bills. Setting this foundation first creates confidence and a stress-free starting point for other financial actions. Once this cushion is in place, aggressively tackle high-interest debt. Focus on credit cards or personal loans with rates above 7 to 8%, using either the avalanche method for maximum savings or the snowball method for psychological wins. Clearing this debt frees up cash for investing and reduces financial stress. It also teaches discipline, encourages prioritization, and gives a sense of control over finances. After eliminating high-interest obligations, expand your emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, keeping it in a separate high-yield savings account for easy access and modest passive growth. With these steps complete, you can automate long-term investments into retirement accounts, index funds, or real estate, creating a system that grows wealth steadily without constant oversight. This structured sequence prevents confusion, ensures focus on high-impact actions, and maximizes efficiency in building lasting financial security. 3. Use the 50/30/20 rule for simplicity. Managing every penny can be overwhelming. So consider a high-level approach with the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of income to essential needs like housing, groceries, and utilities, 30% to wants such as entertainment and dining out, and 20% to savings and extra debt repayments. This framework balances discipline with flexibility, making budgeting less stressful. This framework creates boundaries while giving you freedom to enjoy life. Treating wants as a controlled, guilt-free category prevents feelings of deprivation, reducing the chance of budget burnout or impulsive spending. Adjust percentages gradually to match changes in income or lifestyle. For example, if you get a bonus, allocate part to savings and part to fund money to maintain balance. Over time, this approach teaches financial prioritization and gives a clear picture of how your money is working toward both daily needs and long-term goals. It also helps track progress at a glance, making adjustments simpler and less intimidating. Using this method regularly encourages reflection on spending habits, helping you identify patterns and opportunities to optimize. Ultimately, the 50/30/20 framework turns budgeting into a manageable, empowering habit rather than a restrictive chore, giving you control without sacrificing enjoyment. 4. Automate to remove friction. Discipline is easier when the system runs itself. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to savings or investment accounts on payday. Pay essential bills automatically, rent, utilities, insurance, to avoid late fees and maintain a positive credit history. Automation frees your mental bandwidth for strategic financial decisions rather than remembering daily tasks. You can also use apps that round up daily purchases and invest spare change, turning small transactions into consistent contributions. Automation prevents decision fatigue, enforces consistency, and transforms saving from a conscious effort into a seamless habit. Once automated, you can freely enjoy the leftover funds for personal spending without worry, keeping your plan sustainable over the long term. This system also prevents lifestyle creep, ensures your future self is prioritized, and makes sticking to a financial plan effortless. Over months, these automated habits compound, turning small, repeated actions into substantial growth. 5. Behavioral guardrails for mindful spending. Your environment can either support or sabotage your financial goals. Remove triggers for impulse spending. Delete saved payment cards. Unsubscribe from marketing emails and delay non-essential purchases. Implement a 48-hour waiting period for items you want but don't need immediately. These minor adjustments create meaningful friction, allowing time for rational decision-making. These guardrails create friction that protects your budget. They reduce emotional decisions, teach delayed gratification, and reinforce the habit of intentional spending. Over time, small interventions like these help you align purchases with priorities rather than temporary desires, building consistent financial habits without constant self-control battles. You can also set spending limits on credit cards or create alerts for certain transactions to maintain discipline. This approach strengthens self-awareness, reinforces accountability, and gradually rewires spending behavior into a habit that naturally supports your goals. 6. Track and review progress. Consistency requires awareness. Conduct a weekly money minute to check balances and recent transactions. Review your spending categories monthly to spot overspending or opportunities to save. Keeping a record prevents surprises and ensures that your money is being used according to plan. Visualize your progress using charts, spreadsheets, or budgeting apps. Seeing tangible improvements motivates continued discipline. Tracking also helps catch mistakes early and adjust behavior before small leaks become major problems. Comparing month-to-month results can highlight trends in overspending or areas where you consistently save. This practice builds accountability and fosters a proactive mindset, giving you both confidence and control over your financial journey. 7. Build flexibility into your plan. Rigid plans break easily, so allow room for mistakes. Fund a small fun money category for guilt-free enjoyment each month. Maintain a starter emergency fund of at least 1 month of expenses to cover unexpected bills without derailing goals. Flexibility ensures a plan is sustainable, not restrictive. If overspending occurs, adjust future contributions rather than abandoning the plan entirely. This flexibility reduces stress, keeps you engaged, and ensures your financial strategy adapts to life changes. Review lifestyle changes, income fluctuations, and seasonal expenses to fine-tune allocations. Flexible planning prevents burnout, reinforces discipline, and ensures progress continues steadily even when challenges arise. It also encourages realistic goal setting and helps maintain motivation during long-term financial growth. 8. Schedule an annual financial review. A financial plan is a living system. Each year, review your asset allocation, progress toward goals, and overall budget. Assess whether adjustments are needed for changes in income, expenses, or life priorities. Treat this review like a personal audit to optimize performance and align with long-term objectives. This yearly ritual strengthens awareness, helps set new goals, and maintains alignment with long-term objectives. Regular reviews ensure your plan evolves with you, capturing opportunities to optimize investments, reduce unnecessary expenses, and reinforce habits that lead to financial security. Consider including tax planning, insurance reviews, and retirement projections to stay ahead. Over time, annual reviews create a feedback loop that sharpens your financial decision-making, strengthens confidence, and helps you achieve wealth-building objectives efficiently. 9. Stress test and future-proof your financial plan. A financial plan may look effective when income is stable and expenses remain predictable, but its real strength becomes clear when circumstances change. Stress testing your plan means examining whether it could continue working during income loss, rising costs, unexpected responsibilities, or a temporary market decline. Future-proofing takes this process further by ensuring the plan can adapt as your lifestyle, priorities, and financial obligations evolve. Begin by asking practical questions. Could you still cover essential expenses if your income dropped by 20% for several months? What would happen if rent, insurance, groceries, or debt payments increased? Would a major repair force you to use a credit card, pause investments, or borrow money? These questions reveal weaknesses before they become serious financial problems. You can test different scenarios using your current budget. Create one version based on normal income, another based on reduced earnings, and a third that includes a large, unexpected expense. Identify which costs could be reduced immediately, which payments are unavoidable, and how long your available savings would last. This gives you a clear response plan instead of leaving you to make rushed decisions during a crisis. It is also helpful to establish backup options in advance. These may include keeping important skills updated, maintaining professional connections, developing a small secondary income source, or identifying expenses that can be paused quickly. The purpose is not to expect the worst, but to improve your ability to respond without abandoning long-term goals. Future-proofing also means accounting for inflation and increasing important contributions as your income grows. Savings targets that seem sufficient today may become inadequate as housing, healthcare, education, and daily living costs rise. Gradually updating these targets helps your plan maintain its value and effectiveness over time. Your plan should also consider major life transitions, such as marriage, children, career changes, homeownership, or supporting family members. These events can significantly change your expenses, insurance needs, savings targets, and investment timeline. Preparing for them early allows your finances to adjust gradually rather than suddenly. Review these scenarios whenever your income, responsibilities, debt, or lifestyle changes. A plan that survives only under perfect conditions is fragile, while one designed for several realistic outcomes is far more dependable. Stress testing and future-proofing strengthen financial resilience, expose hidden risks, and ensure your strategy remains useful not only during stable periods, but also when life becomes uncertain. And there you have it, how to create a financial plan that actually works. Smart planning, consistent tracking, automation, and flexibility compound into financial security, confidence, and freedom. Each step you take today builds momentum toward long-term goals. If this video inspired you, comment below which step you'll implement first, and share your progress to motivate others. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on mastering money, building wealth, and creating a secure financial future. Remember, small, deliberate actions repeated consistently shape your financial destiny. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.